Think about opening this door.
Why in God's name would I open this door? Maybe to get your ass killed, bud. Open up, plug. You know, if you say it one more time, bet.
No! What are you
What's up,
doing?
Shotty? Where you at? Yo, 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 yo. Calm your shit. No. Almost there. Okay, so when it goes beep beep, I run. Or that noise. Okay, I'm here, I'm here. Any of them. Oh god, I can fucking sit here. So is that me? Okay, okay. I think I am safe for the time being. Guess. No? I don't care what anyone says. Yes, yes. I was stuck. The great geek was stuck, yes. And I looked it up on YouTube just to find out it's just some fucking stupid keycard right here. And there was written on the bed under the one of these chairs or something. Just that. Yeah, see, trust is a thing I don't have.
Are they gone?
Fuck you mean are they gone? When are you getting out of
Don't
here?
worry. I'm not going to hurt you.
Huh, bullshit, you sound all fucking wild, you
I've done
kind
enough
of.
damage as it is.
Yeah, right.
I know it
He's afraid.
for what I've done and trying to take you down, but I'm sorry. I truly am.
Now, you are
I don't know what came over me. I just couldn't hold myself back. I knew the consequences well, and I still went ahead and said that stupid joke. And now the Queen's probably dead because of me.
Damn.
I wouldn't blame you if you don't forgive me, but I will be very thankful if you do. Just know that I'll do my best to make up for what I did.
You better.
You're here for the switch, for the room where the scepter is, right? It's in here, but it's inside of that locker. I can't figure out what to do.
I don't trust you. And you want me to go in the room. Right. You're definitely just gonna close this shit on me. Body me, right? What is that? Got earbuds. Oh, that's for my bro, bombastic side eye have an ass. Oh, the buttons are on. Okay. You sit tight, I guess. Think of what kind of evils you've done and, I don't know, try to forgive yourself for some bullshit. Okay, I don't know if that's correct. What it? Alright, so two blue. That's for. Oh, that's for the red one? Oh. It is dark, dark, like black. Dark, dark, black, black. Oh, it's right here. Dark, dark, black, black. And then. Wait. The one I'm looking for is dark, dark, black. So it either starts with Yeah, but they're not even all. I'm overthinking it. I'm overthinking it. Dark, dark, light, dark. This one. Yeah. Yeah, here. Oh, yeah, and there's one up there I gotta open too. God, there's a lot of these. Okay. Gray, gray, light, dark. Wrong. Dark, wait, no. Dark, light, no. Gray. I said it wrong. Fuck. Dark ocean, dark gray. Dark ocean, dark gray. Gray, dark, gray. Wait. I did that one. No, I was on their own. Okay. Now it's ocean, dark ocean. No, that's ocean gray, ocean gray. Yeah.
What are all of these colorful lights for?
You dumbass. Gray, dark, ocean, ocean. Gray. Dark ocean, dark. Dark ocean, gray. Okay, so that's the first three right there. You can't lie, that does not look that you can't say that does not look pretty. Now dark ocean, dark ocean. Dark ocean, dark ocean. Okay, that's that one. And then ocean, dark, that one. Or gray, but and then gray, gray, ocean, gray. Okay, that one. Wait. Yes. I'm a genius that had to go on YouTube to look at one thing, and that's all. Oh, not just lane color. Boring. Pop down. One more. I'll go there.
We gotta hide! Get in here!
Alright, I'm good.
We gotta wait till whatever video is playing outside ends. Don't say a word.
Hello? Anybody in there? It's your friend, Banban. I need your help.
That was on
He's
me.
out already? Don't even think about opening this door.
Why in God's name would I open this door? Maybe to get your ass killed, bud.
Oh no.
Open up, plug.
Open up.
You know, if you say it one more time.
Open up.
Bet.
No! What are you doing?
What's up, Shotty? Where you at?
Here you go, child.
What? Oh, damn.
Open up.
You got me, right? You said you were gonna protect
The
me.
lights are
You
turning
didn't, but...
back on. I think the video is ending. It's worse than I thought. And it's all because of me.
Starts laughing his
We
ass
should
off.
go back to wherever you came from. On the way back, I'll think of some jokes that might distract the sheriff from obliterating me on sight.
I don't think that's gonna work, Cuzzo. Absolutely terrifying. That's a big ass button. I saw that and thought it was an eye. We looking good? Oh, you following me. I was gonna follow you, dog. I'm gonna be honest. Times worse. I didn't think it could, but it did. God damn it, why do I gotta go back? You're fucking dad, you his kid? I mean, his father? Yeah, go lick my balls. Just ignore them, just ignore them. They can't hurt me, I'm in the light. Even though it's like a 1 milli-inch of fucking light, I'm alright. You are not menacing at all to look at. Man, you could go lick my balls with that dad ass shit. But that one might be my kid. You be alright. I don't give a fuck. Okay, I take back what I say. That's terrifying. Oh, fuck me out of here, fuck me out of here, give me the fuck out of here, give me the fuck out of here, give me the fuck out of here.
You have a lot of guts showing up here.
Hey, you need to let me the fuck in.
I should take you out where you stand. Did you really think that I'd allow you in here? And look who it is. My partner in fighting crime turns out to be working with our most wanted criminal behind my back.
If you send me out there,
I had a
please, I'll
bad
suck your
feeling
toes.
about you the
Let me
moment I
out.
saw you. I wanted to use you as bait for the other criminals.
What the
The
fuck?
Queen insisted we give you a chance. Should have gone with my instincts. As usual, I was right. You two should go. Your fate in here won't be much better than your fate out there with the naughty ones. I don't need no partners. I'll find Little Beak, and together, we'll rid the world of monsters like you.
Damn.
No! I'll save you!
Let's get out of here!
I agree with that statement. For once in my life, I agree with you. Hey, yo, big question, dog. Where are we going?
Okay. We're safe for now. So, there's that.
Oh,
What's up, big
it's
dog?
you two. The duo of destruction.
Why
Didn't
did you
you
throw
cause
me in
all
here?
this to happen?
I did. And I plan to make up for it.
Everyone that you cared to see you redeem yourself is probably already gone. So what's the point?
How do you even talk? Jellyfish have no brain. We should go turn on the other switches of the door. Let's head to the potentiality sector next.
The potentiality sector. And as we, you mean me. Cool. Cool. Potentiality center. Alright, bet. Because damn right, I'm not going over there.